House Bill 1866. Imagine this. You're visiting the San Antonio Missions with your family. A ranger spots someone breaking into cars near the trailhead. Before that, ranger would have to call local police and wait for them to arrive. By the time officers got there, the person could be long gone. What the bill says it does. House Bill 1866 lets National Park Service law enforcement officers enforce Texas laws inside national parks and recreation areas. It gives them the power to make arrests, execute Texas warrants, and handle emergency mental health detentions within park boundaries. What it actually does. It closes a law enforcement gap on federal park lands. Rangers can now act immediately under Texas law when crimes happen, instead of waiting on local police. This means safer parks and faster responses, but it also gives federal officers new powers under state law without adding clear state oversight. Who benefits? Park visitors and staff who get faster protection, local police departments that can redirect their resources, tourism and heritage groups that depend on safe, well-preserved sites. Who pays the price? Texans who want public reporting or transparency may not see how often or why these powers are used. State agencies lose a chance to track patterns or ensure consistent oversight. Why this matters. This bill helps protect some of Texas' most historic and visited places, but it also highlights how easy it is for new law enforcement powers to be granted without a matching layer of accountability. When Texans don't have access to data, they can't measure how well laws are working or if they're being used fairly. Questions you can ask your lawmakers. Will the public be able to see how often these new authorities are used and for what kinds of incidents? Can the state require regular reporting or agreements to keep enforcement transparent? How will Texans know these powers are being used responsibly and not expanded quietly later? Bottom line, House Bill 1866 makes our parks safer, but without oversight, even good authority can go unseen and unaccountable.